Ethereum, close by Bitcoin and Dogecoin, is one of those digital currencies that are notable even beyond the crypto local area. Furthermore, it is justifiably. Ethereum is one of the most component-rich and fascinating blockchains out there. Other than being an unquestionably creative innovation, Ethereum is likewise an extraordinary resource for venture. Dissimilar to little altcoins, it has to a lesser degree an opportunity to fail spectacularly. However, it actually can possibly moon and bring its financial backers galactic benefits. In this video, we will endeavor to gauge how Ethereum's cost might act from now on. If it's not too much trouble, recollect that because of the unusual and unstable nature of the digital currency market, all crypto value forecasts ought to be thought about while considering other factors. This video doesn't comprise venture counsel. Ethereum Value Expectation 2023. As per the specialized examination of Ethereum costs expected in 2022, the base expense of Ethereum will be $1,769.99. The greatest level that the ETH cost can reach is $2,253.65. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $1,837.01. ETH value estimate for January 2023. In view of the value variances of Ethereum toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical ETH pace of $1,407.23 in January 2023. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at $1,273.20 and at $1,447.44. Separately, February 2023, Ethereum Value Gauge. Cryptographic money specialists are prepared to declare their conjecture for the ETH cost in February 2023. The base exchanging cost may be $1,396.50, while the most extreme could reach $1,503.72 during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Ethereum may be around $1,463.51. ETH value conjecture for WAC 2023. Crypto experts have actually taken a look at the value variances of Ethereum in 2022 and in earlier years. So the normal ETH rate they foresee may be around $1,492.78 in WAC 2023. It can drop to $1,425.78 as a base. The most extreme worth may be $1,576.89. April 2023, Ethereum value figure. Around mid-year 2022, the ETH cost will be exchanged at $1,522.64 overall. April 2023 could likewise observe an expansion in the Ethereum worth to $1,651.53. It is expected that the cost won't drop lower than $1,469.03 in April 2023. ETH value gauge for May 2023. Crypto specialists have examined Ethereum costs in 2022, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to May 2023, $1,568.32. The most minimal and top ETH rates may be $1,501.31 and $1,712.44. June 2023, Ethereum value gauge. Crypto investigators expect that toward the finish of summer 2022, the ETH cost will be around $1,599.69. In June 2023, the Ethereum cost might drop to at least $1,532.68. The normal pinnacle worth may be $1,775.17 in June 2023. ETH value gauge for July 2023. Having examined Ethereum costs, digital money specialists expect that the ETH rate could arrive at a limit of $1,839.17 in July 2023. It may, in any case, drop to $1,580.66. For July 2023, the determined normal of Ethereum is almost $1,647.68. August 2023, Ethereum value estimate. Around mid-2022, the Ethereum cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of $1,680.63. Crypto experts expect that in August 2023, the ETH cost could vary somewhere in the range of $1,613.62 and $1,921.55. ETH value conjecture for September 2023. Market specialists expect that in September 2023, the Ethereum worth won't dip under at least $1,664.03. The greatest pinnacle expected for this present month is $1,988.77. The assessed typical exchanging worth will be at the degree of $1,731.05. October 2023, Ethereum value conjecture. Digital money specialists have painstakingly dissected the scope of ETH costs all through 2022. For October 2023, their conjecture is the accompanying. The most extreme exchanging worth of Ethereum will be around $2,075.32, with a chance of dropping to at least $1,712.06. In October 2023, the normal expense will be $1,765.67. ETH value estimate for November 2023. In view of the value vacillations of Ethereum toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical ETH pace of $1,800.98 in November 2023. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at $1,747.38 and at $2,163.60. Separately, December 2023 Ethereum value gauge. Digital currency specialists are prepared to report their conjecture for the ETH cost in December 2023. The base exchanging cost may be $1,769.99, while the greatest could reach $2,253.65 during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Ethereum may be around $1,837.01. Ethereum value expectation 2024. After the examination of the costs of Ethereum in earlier years, it is accepted that in 2023, the base cost of Ethereum will be around $2,629.46. The greatest expected ETH cost might be around $3,109.01. By and large, the exchanging cost may be $2,721.31 in 2023. Ethereum value forecast 2025. In light of the specialized examination by digital money specialists in regards to the costs of Ethereum, in 2024, ETH is supposed to have the accompanying least and greatest cost, about $3,856.48 and $4,629.83. Separately, the typical expected exchanging cost is $3,992.55. Ethereum value expectation 2026. The specialists in the field of digital money have dissected the costs of Ethereum and their variances during the earlier years. It is accepted that in 2025, the base ETH cost could drop to $5,641.07, while its greatest can reach $6,794.48. Overall, the exchanging cost will be around $5,800.76. Ethereum value forecast 2027. In view of the examination of the expenses of Ethereum by crypto specialists, the accompanying most extreme and least ETH costs are normal in 2026, $9,798.80 and $8,033.81. By and large, it will be exchanged at $8,265.84. Ethereum value forecast 2028. Crypto specialists are continually investigating the various